My favorite part about being here was creating the cameras and like seeing them work.
My favorite part about this experience was the video camera playback.
My favorite part about this was when we turned on the light bulbs and saw what we did work.
My favorite part about this week was being able to do the hands-on stuff and to mess around while we do it and have fun.
Okay, one of my favorite things this week was mess around in a sprinkler trailer and just having fun with some guys that took us around.
My favorite part of the week was wiring the boxes and learning about electric.